In this tutorial, I will show you how to connect your Google account, email account, and Microsoft account to your account. This feature gives you more options to log into your account, as you can easily log in via either a Google account, email account, or Microsoft account. Click on the top right corner. Click on My Profile and then click on Login Accounts. To connect your Google account, click on the Connect button right in front of Google. To connect your Microsoft account, click on the Connect button right in front of Microsoft, and to connect email, click on the Edit button right in front of email. The green dot right here indicates the account you are currently logged in with. Here we come to the end of this tutorial. Thank you for watching.